Tired of losing money and precious time juggling freelance projects? I am going to show you how to use Clockify to transform your freelance hustle into a well-oiled, money-making machine. First, head over to Clockify and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, create a new project for each client or specific task you're working on, like website design for Acme Corp. This helps keep everything organized and billable hours clearly defined. Now, the magic starts. Use the timer feature. Every time you begin a task, just type in what you're working on, select the correct project, and hit start. Clockify tracks every second, so you don't have to rely on memory or guesswork. And if you forget to start the timer, no problem. Manually add time entries with a description of what you did. Accuracy is key when it comes to invoicing. Next, let's talk reports. Clockify generates detailed time reports that break down your work by project, client, and date. Use these to create professional, accurate invoices. Set your hourly rate in Clockify and assign it to each project. You can even set different rates for different clients or types of work. This ensures you're always billing the right amount. Finally, export those reports as PDFs or CSV files to easily share with your clients or import into your accounting software. With Clockify, you'll not only track your time with ease but also gain valuable insights into where your time is going, allowing you to optimize your workflow, boost your productivity, and streamline your financial processes.